Facing relentless coastal erosion, I watched helplessly as the shoreline crept closer to my home. A local expert suggested planting native dune grasses to stabilize the sand. I took the advice, and over time the dunes grew, forming a natural barrier against the waves. This simple act not only protected my property, but also preserved the local ecosystem. Embracing nature's solutions taught me the power of working with the environment, not against it. If you're near a coast, consider nurturing your dunes. They might just save your shore and teach you resilience.